Remember to subscribe and don't forget to hit the bell icon to never miss an update from First Cry Parenting.
Helping your baby sit up. A parent's guide. Watching your little one achieve new milestones is an exciting journey. One such milestone is sitting up. When do babies learn to sit? Babies usually start sitting up on their own around 6 months of age. However, some babies may take a bit longer, around 7 to 8 months. Skills babies acquire before sitting up. 2 months old. At around 2 months, your baby can lift and hold their head up at a 45-degree angle while lying on their tummy for a few minutes. 3 months old. By 3 months, your baby can lift their head and chest at a 45-degree angle while lying on their stomach, with their head steadier than before. 4 months old. At 4 months, your baby may hold their head up to a 90-degree angle while lying on their stomach and attempt to sit with some support. 5 months old. By 5 months, your baby may raise its entire upper body while lying on its tummy and roll over. 6 months old. At 6 months, your baby can sit with support and roll on both sides, showing improved strength and coordination. How can you teach your baby to sit up? 1. Tummy time. Give your baby plenty of tummy time from around 1 month of age. This helps strengthen neck and upper body muscles. 2. Back time. Back time is crucial for strengthening your baby's abdominal muscles, chest, and trunk. Lay them on their back and encourage reaching for toys. 3. Sitting on the floor. Sit on the floor with your baby between your legs, providing support as they learn to sit upright. This helps improve their muscle coordination. 4. Use of props and toys. Use pillows, cushions, and toys to make sitting up more engaging for your baby. This also helps develop their balance and coordination. Positions to help your baby sit. 1. Sitting on the lap. Sit your baby on your lap and gradually shift support from their chest to their hips. This position is suitable for babies aged 3 to 6 months. 2. Sitting in a chair. Use a chair to help your baby sit up. This works well for babies aged 4 to 5 months who can sit with support. 3. Sitting in a laundry basket or box. Place your baby in a laundry basket or box, supporting them from both sides. This helps them balance their body while sitting. Safety tips. 1. Avoid making your baby sit in swings or baby seats for extended periods. 2. Ensure the surface is stable and secure to prevent falls. 3. Never leave your baby unattended. Helping your baby sit up is an exciting milestone that requires patience and support. By following these tips and positions, you can assist your baby in achieving this important developmental stage.